What's up, my friends? Welcome back to Bronco Adventures. And where are we? If you're original to the channel, you know exactly where we're at. We're at the one, the only Bronco Man 6's shop. There's broken Broncos everywhere. Bronco parts everywhere. I mean, the man himself is right there.
Not 4, not 5. Bronco Man 6.
Bronco Man 6. Get it correct. We're up here in Washington celebrating the second annual Bronco Games. You're going to see that coming up. All right? Anybody can join the Inland Northwest Bronco Club. It's easy. All you got to do is get on Facebook, join the club. It's like $30 for the year. The club here in the Inland Northwest is one of the best Bronco clubs for how much activities, participation that they do. It is second to none. Anyway, what are we doing in Bronco Man 6's shop? Well, fresh from SEMA show, we have Oracle Lights laser beams. We're going to give Broncos freaking laser beams. How cool is that?
Freaking laser beams.
These are impressive, all right? They go in the bumper, right in your modular bumper pocket. You got to have a factory bumper to run these lights, and they bolt right in. I'm not really going to show you the install process because, I mean, you could figure it out. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 bolts in your bumper. You just take them out with the provided tools in your Bronco kit and just bolt them right in. But the part that I am really wanting to show you is the wiring. Wiring always spooks people. Calm down. It's easy. We've already got bumper lights in. We got the rough countries, soon to have Oracle in there. We already have wiring in the Bronco that I've got to undo to put these in anyway. Oracle makes it super simple. The wiring harness that is provided right in the box. You have a tag. It says LED laser beam, laser, laser. And then LED only. Get it right. You can't screw it up if you just read the tag. Then what we got going on here is this very first light right here is a DOT approved fog light, essentially. You can run it at any time. It's up to you when you want to hit the switch. Do it. Then for off-road use only, you've got 2 projection laser beams that shoot out like to the moon, basically. You'll see the astronauts on there, I think. Anyway, the really cool part with these that I can appreciate, there is adjusters on all 3 lights. You want the light up and down, right, left, you decide. Do you want to, where do you want it? Figure it out. Plug and play system. I'm going to just install these real quick. 3 bolts. It's that simple. We're going to get rid of the old ones, and then I'm just going to show you how we're going to wire it up. Is it right? I don't know, but it's what we're going to do. I'm going to pop the hood. That was easy. This motor's dirty. Probably should wash it at some point. Nah, it's going to get dirty anyway. Like tomorrow, during the Bronco games. I got to find some tools. And here it is, as you can tell. You know, for all of you guys out there saying you can't take 12 wires and make it 4, well, you're wrong. See, I took 12 whole wires and I impressed myself by making it into 4. I don't know what's going on here, but it's probably a fire hazard, but it's out of there. Now, we found there's just like a loose wire in here too. It's fine. We've added horsepower to the Bronco now. So now we just take the 3 bolts that we just took out and put the new Oracle lasers in the Blanco Bronco. I'm very excited about this. And then we're going to wire it up and we're going to shoot laser beams across Bronco Man 6's pasture.
Freaking laser beams.
Astronauts. Yeah. Broncos with freaking laser beams. So, one just little quick tip for installing these. There's actually 4 bolts to hold these on. You get the 3 under and then the 1 right here. So don't forget to add that guy. But we got even better news. We're up here for the Bronco games. I just heard a naturally aspirated V8 engine. Fire up. And we're doing some pre-running on this course. Don't fall, there's a step there. We got some pre-running action going on. Come check this out. The next video you're gonna see the Bronco games, but we're giving you a sneak peek at Mrs. Bronco Man 6 running the Bronco games course. Now, we've got the old man. That's the Bronco's name. Now, enjoy watching this thing rip around. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait till we are able to upload the Bronco games video. Monica's jumping in next. Mrs. Bronco Man 6, she's on point, like to a T. Dialed is what I'm saying. And we're going to see what Monica can do. You know, never drove a actually good early Bronco. Off-road early Bronco, I should say. The Baja was pretty cool, but this is awesome. You guys have to put this on your calendar. I don't think we're not going to be doing this event. You gotta make sure you come out, watch the Facebook page for the Inland Northwest Bronco Club, and come out and either participate or just enjoy the fun, you know? Yeah, Bronco Man 6. Shoot! Karen ran that perfect. Like,
Should we be scared right now?
I think so.
Two women in an early Bronco.
Yeah, they're gonna haul some ass. So.
They're gonna be the fastest.
For sure. Yeah, I think they got the weight advantage on us or something, but yeah, I think, yeah.
That's not the right thing to say.
We got locker action. Now go. Look at the smile. The front edge is plowing. Yeah. You didn't think we were gonna let the girls have all the fun, right? No. We're pre-running the Bronco games course right now. You missed it, yeah! Into turn 4. Dylan, hurry, got nothing on me. Do it for Dale! Do it for Dale! Don't let the invisible fire get my friend! Oh, you didn't stop in the box, but close enough. Get all the way out.
6G guy in an early Bronco.
Yeah.
And he can't put the seat.
I couldn't figure out the damn seatbelt. What was that about?
We're
Horsepower.
gonna switch the camera that way.
Right now.
Oh, we're having fun.
Inland Northwest Bronco Club. Come into it fairly slow. Tomorrow's gonna be a very sticky day. Yeah. We were hoping the ground would be frozen, and it was this morning.
Not no more.
Not anymore. These Broncos are gonna tear it up. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be muddy. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be entertaining.
Yes. Exactly.
And muddy.
There it is. Pre-ran the Bronco games course. Clocked in. Dialed in is what I'm saying. Now, let's get back to installing these Oracle Light laser beams. We're gonna have Broncos with freaking laser beams.
Frickin' laser beams.
What do you think, lady?
I'm excited.
Excited.
I hope they're bright.
I want to see the moon. Where's the man on the moon? We're gonna find him. Okay, so we got our wiring ran, and it's a mess, but that's okay. We're gonna tidy it up. It comes with provided zip ties, just utilize them. We're just gonna run our loom straight across here, and we're gonna just, you know, clean it all up. Figure out where that wire goes. I don't know what I disconnected. Now, you got options here. You got runner lights. If you have fog lights in your Bronco already, you could utilize the little switch on the dash, but I think I'm just gonna wire them in to be runner lights, so when all my lights come on at night, these just come on with them. And then our laser beams, we're gonna just put them on an auxiliary switch. You know, that way we can control those while we're off-road. But then the fog lights just do their job. They're DOT approved. You don't have to be concerned about it. They're not so blinding that people will be, you know, angry, right? I think. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. And I already have a wire here that I'm just gonna tap into for my runner. It was used at one point for another runner light that we abandoned, and the wire's still there. So I'm just gonna shoot that there and then catch a ground somewhere over here and problem solve for those. Then we're gonna jump up over into the firewall and we're gonna hook up to an auxiliary switch. It's pretty simple.
Go look professional. You're important.
You're important.
You're Bronco. Damn Bronco games.
Hear me roar. All right, so we got good news. We're making progress. I got my fog lights hooked up to runners. The way I did that is, well, I got runner lights for our Oracle grill lights. So I just tapped my power and ground off of those little junctions I made forever ago. Let me show you. I'll turn it on, and all of a sudden you're gonna get fog light action. It's awesome. Boom. There it is. Now, at night, yeah, let there be light, says Bronco Man 6. Now at night, when my runner lights come on, my DOT approved fog lights will just immediately come on. I love it. Then our laser beams is the next thing we're gonna wire up. I think we're going to auxiliary 2. Auxiliary 2 puts out like 15 amps. These are only pulling like less than 4 or something. So it's gonna be plenty big. So I'm gonna get that plumbed up, and then we'll turn those on and show you some freaking laser beams. We're gonna see the neighbor's retina across the field. I'm gonna see your retina. Yeah. Boom. We've got our wiring hooked up to aux2. Now, I turned them on here in the shop, but the laser beams ain't gonna do us any good in the shop. We gotta get this thing outside and shoot the beams across the pasture. Luckily for you, it's already nighttime, because just like that, we're outside in the dark. And boom, it's nighttime. Simple as that. Now, our runner lights are on. You can see it. The DOT approved fog lights, I think I really like it. Now, you can see clearly right there and right there. Well, they're pointing down. And again, don't forget, you can adjust these lights up or down. I think I'm gonna try it and see how we like it first before I adjust them, but it's literally, it's like a Phillips. Just get in there and adjust it. Anyway, you came here because you want to see the beamage. Now, I'm hoping that we light up at least the other side of the road. I mean, we already got pretty good lights, but I want to know just what these laser beams are capable of.
Begin laser ignition sequence.
I'm going to turn off our main headlights, and then we're going to hit number 2. Boom. That is far. Like, oh, that's a Bronco. That's a Bronco Heritage. I seen it because it's got the white top and squared off fender flares. Because we just flipped on these laser beam lights, I clearly could tell that was a Bronco Heritage. That's clear to the thing. I bet you that's at least 100 yards. These lights are capable of going farther than that. It's just what we're given right now. So you got to get off your couch and create an adventure. These things look awesome. The link in the description is always below. Check it out. Thanks for watching. You're going to see more of us here shortly. The Bronco games are going to be awesome.
Bronco Adventures.